Is your Samsung washer showing an LC1 error code? This indicates a problem with the drain hose, often caused by improper placement or clogs. Let's troubleshoot step by step. By the end of this video, your washer should be draining properly again. What does LC1 mean? The code signals an issue with the drain hose. Either it's placed incorrectly, clogged, or kinked. First, check the drain hose placement. Ensure the end of the drain hose is not lying on the floor. It should be elevated slightly above the base of the washer to allow proper water flow. If using a standpipe, confirm the hose is inserted no more than 6 inches into the pipe. Next, inspect the drain hose for clogs. Disconnect the hose and flush it with warm water to remove debris. Look for kinks or bends that might block water drainage. If the error persists, reset the washer. Unplug it for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary glitches. Some users have also found success by tipping the washer forward gently for 2 minutes to clear internal blockages. Still stuck? Links for the user manual and customer support are available in the video description. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy laundry day!